You can pay 68 and then 69. You'll find out by shit it ain't damn easy to get off the ground.
I'm not saying anything. I'm being quiet.
What happened to me?
I'm being a real good boy. Being quiet.
You already knew a good boy. Oh!
That Monte Carlo they had down at Larry's though, they were real.
It was. What your model?
About the same year model as yours.
Really? Well, pay probably $5,000 or $6,000 for it.
I ain't going up in.
No, it's going the other way.
I should better not be. I should have led me to. Next!
How real was it?
How about 9?
Jeffrey, you gonna jump in your mama's poop? You gonna get over there and try to do something? You look like you're rested up.
Mine done took a picture of the car wheel over here.
Well, yeah, I gotta have a picture of that. That's famous.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Ain't famous.
We need what, 12 here? That's 10.
Give it a whirl. See if it'll work. Put the bottom of the tar in there first. Bug, I don't stone.
It's supposed to rain today? Really?
Rain.
Rain.
Tomorrow thunderstorms tomorrow night, and it's supposed to be rain next chance of rain next week. it don't look like.
What was good on my damn knee?
Mighty the clapping.
Don't just sit there and sleep a while, you brother.
I'm coming down the steps. Get them. Get them no good. Get them, hurry, hurry, hurry.
Hurry. I like the hurry part. Get them in there, hurry, before it all changes, huh?
Get away.
Get tightened up, yeah.
The cold you get. You don't need time to make your money move and you do with it. I'm telling you right now.
Where you need the woman.
You say, me, I need mom, and I've been awful damn good to you. Good boy. Wait, Alan, get this.
You sit there and sleep and don't think.
How's that tire over? Sleeping on the porch. I see she got her alarm clock and her pillow in bed over there.
Can't tighten up and steady.
Give me a minute. I'm an old woman. Now go. Should have on there and shut up.
He's what, 3 inches above where he needed to be. That'd be funny is when you set it down, all that air's leaked out.
Don't even
Then
think
we gotta
about
do it. We gotta do it again. We gotta start back over.
You be quiet. Don't you even think that.
You got to use your face to be afraid of your shirt.
It'll be Monty's fault. It'll be the tire's fault. Oh, Grout, can't nobody have no fun. You just get snuggled up and you let that down. Put it up and hold it. Get it on the ground. Woo, Lord.
When you go out, I've got the compressor charged up and back up there, and we'll put air in your spare tire.
No good.
Yeah, because it's already juiced up there. And bring your air gauge so we know how much to put in it.
No, damn, Mama.
Yeah, Incredible Hulk over. She-Man. You ever watch He-Man? That cartoon? You know, huh? You know the other lady, the She-Man? That's what Mama is. She's strong.
That man turned the car.
He would. He'd damn ripped his shirt off and busted his shoes out and everything.
He supposed to get that tire to Jack Araby on his.
Yeah. Well, y'all have to go in there and do laundry and take showers and clean up before y'all can go anywhere.
This chain's cold. We wash off a little bit.
No, you
It'll
can't
be
do
all
that.
right.
You gotta get all those dingleberries off of you.
Be all right.
She's squeaking her rubber duck in there. But what worked this time that didn't work a while ago? You don't know? Well, it looked like you just got in there and you said you were going to do it this time regardless of what. What I think happened. Ain't that what happened? I think you were just tired of screwing with it, right? You just said, I think I'm just going to jack it up there and get it on there. That's what happened. Yes, it is. That's what happened. Oh, yeah? Yeah. Oh, hell, on the lawnmower? So you mean he didn't do a good job of patching? That damn Ben. Can't believe he'd send you home with a flat tire. Whew. Well, I guess after y'all get washed up and spit shine, you can come up here with air that other tire up.